Introducing writing time. Let's write sentences. Students come to school to make their brains stronger. Your brain gets stronger when you share adventures. You can share adventures with pictures, and you can share adventures with words. Let's review. In the beginning, share who and where the adventure starts. In the middle, share what happened. What did you do? What did you see? And in the end, share what was done last and how you felt about it. You have drawn your adventure. You added labels. Now it's time to write a sentence. A sentence tells a whole idea. But how do you do it? Think your sentence, say it slow. Count the words before you go. Write each word and leave a space. Put a period in its place. Think your sentence, say it slow. Count the words before you go. Write each word and leave a space. Put a period in its place. Step 1. Think your sentence. Look at your picture. What happened? This picture shows our class riding to the aquarium. That makes me think we rode a bus. Step 2. Say it slow. We rode a bus. We rode a bus. Step 3. Count the words before you go. We rode a bus. That's 4 words. Think your sentence, say it slow. Count the words before you go. Write each word and leave a space. Put a period in its place. Think your sentence, say it slow. Count the words before you go. Write each word and leave a space. Put a period in its place. Step 4. Write each word and leave a space. 4 words. We, e. Leave a space. Road, ode, road. Leave a space. A. Leave a space. Bus, s. Brain bit. Every sentence starts with a capital letter. A capital letter tells your reader the sentence is starting. Step 5. Put a period in its place. When your sentence is finished, it needs an ending mark. Think your sentence, say it slow. Count the words before you go. Write each word and leave a space. Put a period in its place. Think your sentence, say it slow. Count the words before you go. Write each word and leave a space. Put a period in its place. Now it's your turn to think. It's your turn to write. It's your turn to make a sentence with all your might. Remember our chant and its 5 steps. It'll help your sentence be its best. Fantastic! Thanks for watching Kinder Romp. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below.